Why? Hey guys, what's today? The 29th.
We were in bed and we were laying there and I moved my legs and she thought it was Kilo.
Today's October 29th.
I'm like, you look.
It's almost 9 o'clock. We're about to go to breakfast. That's cool. So hot. Move out the way. I knew it.
I love babies.
Pokemon.
How you doing?
Where Mom at?
She's standing over there waiting.
Oh, look at this one. Nice. Look at the inside of this one. Nice. Impala. Oh, this one's nice. I like this one. Man. Look at the inside of it. Man. Yeah, that's what. Which one? The Batmobile? What neighbor? No veggie guy?
No.
Who? Look at the color of it, man. God, look at the red in there. Gosh, nice. Mustang. Motorcycle done by cut by dad.
Beautiful.
It's on gas.
Nice, man. Look at it.
Turn signals, tilt. It's all there. Everything but wipers.
Gorgeous.
Nice.
John?
Camaro. 69 Camaro. So nice. Look at this one. Oh my God. Look at the inside though. So nice. Vlog none at this time.
Well, here, I can get it.
But I'm about to go get a snow cone.
Rainbow.
Yeah, he was selling hot chocolate last time.
FAVES can we get on?
Why?
Strawberry. What do you guys want?
That guy is so nice.
Yeah, one kid didn't have no money. He
Mm-mm.
had $1. He got a large.
Yeah. Seriously?
I said, that's okay.
You know what I would have said? No. I'm about to go set up some chairs at the for the parade. I bought some more paintbrushes. Well, my aunt bought it for me. I was gonna buy them, but she bought them for the paint. I gotta go downstairs and get my stuff out to dry. My hats and my shoes. I had to change my shoes because these flats are holding my feet. I went to Salvation Army yesterday. Y'all probably seen that in the previous clip. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I think I got like 6 or 7 hats. I'm just gonna practice on these shirts. They're like different fabrics and there's like different textures of shirts, so it doesn't really matter. I just got different fabrics. There's 2. Just a plain white with a pocket. That's 3. Just a regular white with like a little cute thing. Doesn't really matter. It's gonna paint on. That's 4. A white collared. There's a white collared shirt. That's 5. And the other hats I got. One focus, of course not. So I got 5 shirts. I'm pretty sure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shirts. One. It's like a regular. This dad cap. Blue and white. 1. 2. And most of the paint's gonna be done on the lid, on the rim, and then like some on the back. It's all over just practicing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hats and 5 shirts. Got a good variety. So bored. It's like 2:33. Just got home from Walmart, Hardee's, went some places. I might just go outside and take some pictures on this camera with my tripod. Leave my pecans. I don't know where my tripod is. I think it's in here. I think it's in my laundry basket. Yep, found it. Take some pictures outside. So it's almost 6, it's 5:22. I went outside, took some pictures. I got ate up by mosquitoes, so I came in. I probably took like 15, 20 pictures maybe. I then took some more pictures with my phone. There's like some outfit pictures for Snapchat. So I'm done taking pictures. I'm gonna take this makeup off because I'm not wearing it to the parade because it's sticky and can feel on my face and I hate that. So I'm gonna wear these jeans. I'm probably gonna change this shirt, but I'm gonna wear these jeans. I'll probably wear this like, I don't know, a regular shirt. I'm just going for the food basically because they got good food at the places we have. All the good food places coming. That's where I'm going. This guy and his son, I guess, they always have like homemade, like the sweet, cinnamon sugar pecans and almonds. I got pecans. Y'all, I've been waiting for these for so long, and I was so happy that I got these. They're so good, and I got them fresh. Like here, this made them. They were so hot and so good. Like they're still good. Like, oh my god, they're so good. I love them so much. Like, we're gonna go up there early so we can get food and go sit down. I'm just going for the food, y'all. I promise y'all. I got my phone charging because I wanted to go there. Highly upset to go there. Yeah. I'll probably get a guy roll and some barbecue. I can't wait, y'all. I used my phone to record some footage today at a little mini play because I left my camera in the car. I wasn't even thinking. I was like, damn, I forgot my camera. Because at first we went to eat breakfast with our family. So I ain't taking it there with us. So take it in there. And then we went to the craft fair. I forgot to bring my camera, so I just used my phone to record some footage.
Candy.
Oh.
Oh, never mind.
Did you have fun, man? Did you have fun, buddy?
Let's just wait.
Did you have fun? She whines so much.
I can't. I'm sorry. I just can't stand. Oh my God! Shut the hell up and quit your damn whining about nothing.
She mad as shit because the people ain't giving no candy.
Holy.
She was crying, really?
Yeah. And sit there and wipe her eyes. I
Tears
just
come-
want to smack her one.
I didn't see that.
Oh my God.
I didn't.
Then Shelly said, if you don't wipe it out, I'm never bringing you back. Good. Take her
Yeah,
home now.
yeah, I heard that part.
Oh my God.
I'm hungry and want some food.
I'm trying.
Some fair food.
Fair food.
Nope, they're gone. Oh
This
no,
guy don't even have his lights on.
they're closed.